Hello lovelies, my name's Nikima and we are Spainhomes. Today I am in the picturesque and peaceful, beautiful town of Finestrat, located in the Sierra Cortina in an urbanisation called Mirador de Sierra Cortina. Today I'm going to be showing you a beautiful townhouse, perfect for a couple or a small family. It is offering 140 square meters. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and is distributed on 2 floors. It surrounds gorgeous landscapes of mountains, forest and green trees surrounding us. So let's kick off the tour. As I'm walking into the actual urbanisation itself, you can see that on this side, on my right side, you have your parking spaces that the residents comfortably use whenever they need to. This is a very peaceful place to be because you can see as well here how they are tree-lined gardens, all giving people their private sanctuary spaces outdoors to enjoy as they enter into the grounds of the home. But in the true nature of how we do things, we're going to show you around the actual exterior grounds of the urbanisation first. So I am taking you along the pathway, and all the while being in this great location. For those of you that don't know Finestrat, it is a charming town right in the province of Alicante on the Costa Blanca. Here we are in a very naturistic spot overlooking great mountains, vegetation of pine forest and also lots of green trees. And the nature of this urbanisation is such that it really has encapsulated, encompassing the properties around all of this wonderful rugged nature. So we're coming up towards a natural lawned area where it opens to where you find the communal swimming pool. This is only used by a few of the actual neighbours, so it always remains a really peaceful spot. You've got here on one side your gorgeous entry to the swimming pool, which is a really nice round shape. It leads comfortably to the outdoor showers for the comfort of the swimmers, and you even have a children's swimming pool up on the high level too. So we're going to go up the pathway and have a look at some of these really nice carved out areas overlooking all of this vegetation for the people to enjoy. As you can see as well, they've gone for a classic Mediterranean design with the actual architectural design and incorporating it with a lot of natural stone walls and pathways too. So as we go up some more, up the steps, and this takes you to a green area that is also used as a playground for the children. Hello. So as I come in through the front door from the front garden, I'm coming into the entry hall. In this space is lovely and bright, but it does actually lead you directly to the separate kitchen. The kitchen is actually really quite a spacious kitchen. It gives you your kitchen size, which has your electrical appliances like your refrigerator, your cooking hob, extractor, your sink on this side, plenty of countertop space, your dishwasher and extra cabinetry on this side. But what I do like about it is it just has this fantastic little breakfast nook, which is perfect in the morning if you're wanting to do that. Across the way in the hall, you'll then also find there is a door that leads to the guest bathroom, which is fully equipped and has terracotta stone flooring. Going into the hall, it then takes you across to the main living and dining space. This living room is 27 square meters and the ceiling height throughout the home is 2.5 meters. You find that this space, again, is warm and inviting. You have the same wooden floors throughout both floors of the home, and you have these windows that open up also as sliding doors, allowing you space into the day room or conservatory. This is like an additional space that you could also have and is ideal to use as part of the living room space or is even as the garden space on those days where you're wanting a little bit of wind cover. And then what you find is from your day room, it leads really nicely to the outdoor garden. This garden has been done in such a loving way, giving it that intimate privacy with the dense vegetation they've chosen to decorate and adorn the gardens with. What's really nice as well for the residents in this urbanisation is that the community fee actually covers those things that they need with their garden. So they have an automatic irrigation system and do not need to water their plants. This garden is great as a space to enjoy that outdoor weather. But if that's not quite enough, you do also have a gate that takes you to the communal areas, which lead to a variety of beautiful pathways and places to relax and enjoy, even leading you out of the grounds so that you can go and have a hike. But what I really like is the interconnectedness of not only the communal green spaces, but also the homes. Coming up the stairs, which are also terracotta stone, it now leads me to the first floor. This floor has been dedicated to the bedroom quarters. I'm taking you now into the first bedroom, which is light and bright with a similar interior feel. This room offers 10 square meters. It has a wall for integrated wardrobes and also a beautiful window there letting in amazing views of the surrounding mountains and the forest. Coming out of the first bedroom into the hall, it also leads to the second bedroom. This bedroom is identical in the sense that it offers also 10 square meters. You have again exquisite views as you wake in the morning and also integrated wardrobes. So now we're going along the hall some more, and it's going to take us now to the main bathroom, which you will see has been also fully equipped. And then at the end of the hall is dedicated to the primary suite. In total, the primary suite offers 22 square meters, but it's been sensibly divided into a walk-in closet that then leads to the main heart of the bedroom. What I like about this bedroom is it does have those really lovely doors that open and give you a balcony as well as amazing views, and it also illuminates the space really nicely and gives it an intimate feel. You also have, as you come out of the bedroom to your right, a really cosy and inviting, with a pop of colour, can I just say, ensuite bathroom. This has been newly fitted and again gives you impeccable views of that lush forest directly in front of you. Just 5 glorious minutes in the car and you can be on this beach. One of my personal favourites, Poniente Beach, and we are on the far side, everybody, just in case you ever come to visit. This is a well-established beach, blue flag status, lots of places to rest, enjoy and also soak up the water, as well as great on-site facilities, restaurants, bars and promenades all the while along the way as well. Come on over. It's the end of April, but it's glorious. The nitty-gritty. The property tax, or EB, is €600 per year. The community fee is €1,600 per year, and the refuse is €150 per year. This is a fantastic property if you like to have close proximity to wonderful things to do with your recreational time. Great on-site facilities. You have maintenance and garden staff here on hand as a concierge system. You also have a great urbanisation that offers you fantastic services as well as a really peaceful spot to live. Sierra Cortina also overlooks fantastic golf courses nearby. You also have great shopping centre and shops, restaurants and bars within 5 minutes drive. What more can I say? If you like the listing and you'd like to know more, then please do check out the finer details on our website, which is spainhomes.estate. Also, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. My name is Nikima. It was lovely to see you, and we'll see you next time. Hasta pronto.